In this example, we are going to use range names feature from Microsoft Excel, which will help us write simpler VLOOKUP functions. So for using range name, what we need to do is we just select the range, which is actually the list range. Once we have selected the range, we came on name box and we can provide a name. So for example, this is employee list, so I've typed EMPLIST, enter. So as soon as I pressed enter, you can see that it has created a name with the name of EMP list. So now I'm going to write VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP, find this, find where, employee list. So I don't need to push F4 for absoluting because range names are by default absolute. So I have selected this and I have pressed 2 comma false. So 2 comma false. And close the function. I just copy this thing down. So as you can see, it is a simple VLOOKUP function. Same for the salary equals to VLOOKUP this comma employee list comma 1 2 3 4 comma 0 comma false. I've copied this downwards. This is a simpler method of writing VLOOKUP, which is automatically absolute. In the next section, we are going to have a deep dive on syntax and Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much.